Happy Friday, I'm meteorologist Alex O'Brien. Your weather webcast is brought to you by J. Ferg Pros. On our forecast today, still another nice warm afternoon, and it looks like it should be a nice day at the surface level, but we're expecting a cold front to come in this evening, and it will really crank up our wind speeds. We're forecasting 20 to 40 mile per hour wind speeds sustained, with gusts even higher later today. And we've also got a 10% chance of rain after our cold front moves in. Add on top of that blowing dust, and we've got quite an active Friday in store. We do have a couple of alerts here. Wind advisory for the Texas South Plains, high wind warning into eastern New Mexico. Where the high wind warning is in place, that's where winds could reach 60 mile per hour gusts. 50 mile per hour gusts here in the light tan, including Lubbock County. As we go through the afternoon, that's when we'll really start to see things crank up. By lunchtime, 40 mile per hour wind gusts possible at that 50 mile per hour range by later on this evening after work and into your dinner time. So we will see warm temperatures today, especially in the central and southern South Plains. So 67 Post, 66 Lubbock, low 60s north, and it will be a windy one with blowing dust a possibility. And this evening, our winds will be turning out of the north, so east-west oriented roads will be quite troublesome for high-profile vehicles as that wind turns out of a northerly direction. So our cold front moves in, we could actually see a few brief showers and maybe even some lightning later on this evening. Very isolated with that. But as that cold front moves through, it'll also bring in some cooler conditions. Not quite as cold as initially forecast earlier this week. So we're packing a punch more so with the wind with this system, less so with our cold temperatures, because it'll just be moving in too quick and moving out before any of that Canadian air has time to settle in. Regardless, it will be still cooler tomorrow, especially in the morning. 30s on the board for your Saturday to start things out, but it'll be quite windy still, so it'll feel like the 20s early Saturday. Then we warm up quickly. 60 by Sunday, 70 for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we expect our next system coming in by Tuesday into Wednesday. So kind of rinse and repeat early next week with our next incoming front. It'll be breezy but dry. Enjoy your weekend.